激光管，然后第一个反光镜。
The laser tube, the first lens. Make sure when you make the laser working on the acrylic, the first lens there is a mark. No, here. Press, pause. Make sure there is a mark. It's fine. No matter two marks are in the same location or not, that does not matter. As long as there is a mark, the first lens is fine. Then the second lens, please put the acrylic to here, the second lens. Then move the machine to the end of the working area. Make sure it's on the end of the area. Then press pause to check the first laser beam.
看那里，我要忘了全那时候，你会录到这里。
That's the first pass for the end of the y-axis. Then move the y-axis to the beginning of the working area. Then press pause. You see the two marks are in the same location. Make sure that for the second lens, the two marks are in the same location. That's very important. That's for the second lens. Then the third lens. Please move the x-axis to the far left and far right to make two marks. Make sure the two marks are in the same location. Now we move it to the far left. You see, and we move it to the far left. Then we press the pause. Then we get a mark. Then we move the x-axis to the far right. We got another mark. Make sure the two marks are in the same location, exactly the same location. That's how we adjust the third lens. Then we adjust the last lens, the laser head. Use a sticker, stick right under the laser head. Then we press pause. We see the mark. Make sure it's right under the in the center of the laser head. The center behind the laser head. Then we move the laser head to four corners of the working size. Four corners. Then we press pause. Make sure four corners laser pose are in the same right under the laser head, as you see in the sticker. Then we test again. Here. See, still right under the sticker, the center of the sticker. Okay, so then we move to the other corner and stick under the laser head again and press pause. And we see the results under the center of the laser head, right up behind the laser head. Then we will show you how to find the right focal length for the laser head. We will send you some acrylic piece with the right focal length. Then you put your material under the laser head and put the small acrylic between the laser head and the material. Make sure the laser head is right above of the material and the acrylic piece. Then it will be in the right focal length. Then we test if the laser head is in the right direction. Press pause. If it's in the right direction, you could see the test laser beam is very straight from the surface to the inner of the material, and the marking is in the same center from beginning to the end. It's very it's the same round. If it's not correct, we will show you if it's not correct how it will look like. See, that's beyond the focal length. Then you can see the mark. The bigger on the head, the bigger on the beginning, and the smaller on the end. As you can see, the bigger on the head, the bigger at the beginning, and the smaller at the end. Please compare. This is with the right focal length here. It's the same. Okay. Then we test if it's very small to the material. It's very close to the material. Press pause. Then we can see the laser beam is very small, smaller than the standard. This is with the right focal length. Here, it's very small. This one is closer to the focal length. You see the distance. It's not very straight from the beginning to the end. But if it's in the right focal length, it's very straight. Like this. Just use the acrylic piece we sent you.